Storm has a chance to make a mess of your morning, and of course we are all over it. There is some standing water on the roads, so we have reporter Elise Haas out in Mobile 6 checking on those trouble spots.
And first, we need to get to an up-to-the-minute look at conditions right now. For that, we turn it over to meteorologist Kelly Bayer in the Coin 6 Weather Center.
Hey, good morning. Yes, we are starting out fairly soggy out there. Heavy showers have moved in since late last night and have persisted this early morning. So take a look at our satellite and our radar here. You can see those heavier showers now settling in towards Salem, also Portland and the metro area, now getting another run of heavy showers. So we'll see those sopping showers out there through much of the morning. Then we'll transition to showery weather continuing into the afternoon. Heavy at times, even a possible thunderstorm out there mainly through the afternoon into our early evening for the coast and in the valley. Also some good news this weekend, maybe some new mountain snow out there. So here's our bus stop forecast. As those kiddos head out the door, dress them up in those rain jackets. You'll need it. It'll be a soggy start here, and we'll keep showers in the mix through the afternoon with a chance for a thunderstorm later today. Highs back in the mid-50s. Back to you guys.
Thank you, Kelly. And if you don't already have it, the Coin 6 weather app on your smartphone will be a perfect thing for you to have right now, and now's a perfect time to download it. You can use it to get live radar, constantly updated forecasts, and so much more. Be sure to sign up for weather alerts, and you will know about severe weather in our area as soon as we do.
Well, as we mentioned a minute ago, there is some standing water on the roads out there, and that has the potential to cause some problems.
Let's get right to Elise Haas. She's out live in Mobile 6. And Elise, tell us where you are and what you're seeing out there.
All right, so Ken, we are on 405 North right now, and it is wet. It's been raining all night, and it's going to be raining all day, so it's really coming down right now. And like you guys mentioned, we have seen standing water on the west side. We've seen it on entrances and exits of the highway, and we've seen it under bridges as well. So Jay even said that he could kind of feel the car hydroplaning at some point, so that's a good warning for those of you who are going to be heading out. So go ahead and flip the camera here. We're under some bridges, so it's a little bit less of the rainfall, but you'll be able to kind of just see the rain will be coming down as we get out of this. So, like I mentioned, we're on 405 North right now, and traffic right now is light and it's flowing fine just because it's so early in the morning. But heading into our morning commute, we do expect to have heavy rain showers, so anticipate a messy, slow drive. Rains are going to be hitting right at rush hour, and Jay and I were talking about how we both just hate driving in wet, dark conditions just because it's so hard. But the thing is, I know we've also all heard people complaining about people forget how to drive in the rain, and that's just because people are slowing down because of the wet, slippery conditions, and they're allowing more cars length distance between them and the car in front of them. And these are all good precautions to take. However, this does add to congestion. So keep that in mind, because you should add at least 5 to maybe 15 minutes on your commute depending on how far you have to drive. So it will slow things down this morning, and it'll make it a little bit more dangerous. So as long as you give yourself some extra time, or you're okay with being 5 minutes late to work, just know that we're going to be keeping you updated on the road conditions throughout the morning. But for now, reporting live in Mobile 6, Elise Haas, Coin 6 News.